Hi friends, welcome to Fresh Bites. In this video we are going to see how to make look-alike egg-shaped jelly. It turned out to be so real, the kids will definitely find it interesting, so please do try it for your kids. First we need the egg shell for the mold, so gently crack the egg and remove small portion of the shell. Pour the inside of the egg into a bowl. Do the same to the remaining eggs. Wash all the eggs in water. Take a cup of water in a pan and add all the eggshells and allow this to boil for 3 to 5 minutes. This helps to clean the inside of the shell and also removes the smell completely. It's been 5 minutes. Let's gently remove the shells out from the pan. Do this very carefully because the shells will be very delicate. Let's start making the jelly. I'm going to use the Agar Agar powder. According to the instructions, we need to use 1/4 teaspoon of Agar Agar powder for 125 ml of liquid. Let's begin making the yellow part, which is the yolk. I have added a tablespoon of water. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of Agar Agar powder. Stir it once. Keep the flame on a medium and add 125 ml of mango juice. Once the mixture has come to a boil, switch off the flame. I'm going to pour this into a measuring spoon. You can use any other mold. It should be in the shape of a hemisphere and it has to be in the size of a yolk. Allow this to cool down completely. You can keep it in the fridge for 5 minutes. The jelly is set. Let's take it out from the mold and keep it aside. You can see it looks like a yolk. I'm going to repeat the same steps for the other eggs. Meanwhile, the mixture we prepared has also become a jelly. So do not worry, keep it on a low flame and heat it again and it becomes liquid. Now let's start making the white part of the egg. In a pan, take 250 ml of water and add half teaspoon of Agar Agar powder. Keep the flame low and keep stirring the mixture. All the particles have to be dissolved. Add a tablespoon of sugar. Finally, I'm going to add some lime juice for the flavor. You can even add coconut water. Stir it well. Once it comes to a boil, you can switch off the flame. I have kept the eggshells inside a muffin pan so they don't roll. You can even keep them inside a cup. The mixture has become warm. I'm going to take it out using a syringe and fill the eggshells. I'm going to fill only 1/4 of the eggshell. You can even use a spoon. Pour it very gently so the bubbles are not formed. I'm going to fill all the other eggs in the similar way and allow this to set. You can keep it in the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes. Once the white part is set, slide the mango jelly very carefully into the eggshell. Let's pour the remaining mixture. Please remember the mixture should not be too hot. It has to be warm. If it's hot, then it will start melting the jelly that is present inside. Pour the mixture until the shell is full. Only then we'll get a proper egg-shaped jelly. It's been 10 minutes and the jelly is completely set. I'm going to peel the shell and show you how it looks inside. You can see how beautiful this looks. You can definitely surprise your kids. So please do try it at home and leave your comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel Fresh Bites. See you all in my next video with another interesting recipe.